So we have our data engineering maturity model, which is how we articulate the methodology. And that model has 11 components in it. And those 11 components are what we see as the major building blocks of building a data capability for an organization. When we talk about a data capability, what we're really sort of trying to articulate is helping organizations leveraging data to make better decisions. Because ultimately, if people aren't doing something different as a result of the tools and technologies we put in place, there's no value. And so we sort of describe those in general as our methodology. But then there's a technical piece or a data platform piece, which is the tech components of that. There's the things that are actually sort of operational in nature, and those have a methodology approach applied to them. And then there's the service that we put on top of it to pull it all together. Organizations need all of those pieces working in conjunction to actually accelerate that rate of adoption of data to make better decisions, and really accelerate their ability to outcompete in a digital marketplace. And by pulling the pieces together, the business teams have the support, the tech, and the skills that they need to actually make the changes in their business that they need to make better decisions around their business operations. Our view on data and information and better decisions is that is a deeply personal or deeply organizational capability that needs to be embedded within the organization. You can't outsource your company's decision making. The actual decision making has to be baked into your organization because that's what people do in businesses. And as a result of that, you need to build into your organization the capability to facilitate continuously improving that decision making. And by baking that in, and the way we do that is we enable those business teams to leverage data so that they can bake in continuous improvement around decision making so that they can outcompete on the one thing I think as an organization you can never outsource, which is the decision making of your people. So we enable technically by teaching people how to manage data processes, teaching analysts and business people how to manage data. We do enable on data literacy. What is data and why should you care? But primarily it's a function of helping organizations actually leverage their data to make better decisions day in and day out. So it's a real operational enablement.